What's up guys, it's your boy Alex and I'm back at it again with another reaction video for y'all. Today we are watching Oh My Girl Windy Day, the music video. I'm excited. I think it's a girl group. And so yeah, it's 4 minutes 9 seconds long. Came out in 2016, over 2 million views. So let's give it a listen and a watch, shall we? Okay, ready guys? Here we go. I like those flowers. They're really pretty. That's a nice kite. Windy day. Okay, I'll keep my eyes open, I guess. Sorry. It just sounds so good. It's like peaceful and just like. Okay, she's cute. I like the forest, it's pretty. Little birdies. Okay. Okay, I'm digging this part. Oh, it's getting a lot more like, oh, wakey up here, like, it's exciting. They got a tea party. Some Red Riding Hood stuff. Is that a deer? It's funny because it's a fake deer. Uh-oh. Bang bang. That is definitely a windy day. I think it's windy and her first thing is like, let's stand on this log thing. Like the stump. Look at her, she's like, let's bring a bed in the middle of these flowers. Okay, I would never have my bed there. Okay. It's just like so like happy and uplifting. Like this song, it's like makes you want to like go do something and get out of my room. Uh-oh. She's an amaze thing. Little box. Up, it's the wind. Windy day. It's another deer. Oh, it's they're wearing antler things on their head. Those are cute. Windy day. Windy day. I don't know if you guys understand, but it's a windy day over here with Oh My Girl. If you didn't know. If you didn't know. If you're not catching what they're saying over here, it's a windy day. But yeah, that was a cool video, guys. I did enjoy it, and yeah, like I've never really never been created by girl groups, but that was a pretty good video. I liked it. Oh My Girl, y'all. or Oh My Girl, and you know what I'm saying, y'all are good. I enjoyed it, so I'll definitely have to watch more of their videos. And this was actually, I think this was recent. This is May of 2016, so yeah, recent video pretty much. And guys, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Let's try and hit like 150 to maybe 200 likes. That would be awesome. Please comment below what you guys want me to do next. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.